I can't forget those days.
Almost we had finalized the packaging also with that name.
Yeah. And within, I think, 2 days, we had to just change it all.
Brands actually say that they are maida free, but they include refined flour in their labels also. And we wanted to introduce something which is maida free, how we used to sprout ragi and then rehydrate it and then make it into a powder for the Cerelac for the kids.
Yes.
And the packaging, we had no clue about how we are going to do the packaging.
Yes.
How we are going to source it. We wanted to actually introduce something which is maida free and refined sugar free.
I think we've had a very nice team, supportive team who's helped us. I think the biggest challenge we faced with packaged food was whether the labels, whether they're clean, whether it's eating, whatever we are consuming is healthy.
And that has been really fulfilling and enriching for Natabu's journey.
Yes.
We didn't want to get into all the rat race. Hi, I'm Aditi Singhal.
Hi, I'm Asha Muchal, and we are the co-founders of Natable.
Remember how we met, Asha?
Yeah, the first time. Yes, I think at the club we both met after our gym class.
Yeah.
And how we were looking for options of something healthy and good to eat.
And we had just began going to the club, then we started playing badminton together. So everything was like focusing towards health and fitness.
And I think Indore being a new city to us, for both of us, and then how it was so comforting to find somebody who had the same interests and how we bonded over similar things. Like we wanted the same kind of food.
Yes, and the same kind of activities. I think in 2013, was it that year? We got pregnant together and embraced motherhood in 2014, and how we were so paranoid about, healthy food during our pregnancy and post-pregnancy also.
Yeah, I think that was the turning point where we bonded so well because we were going through the same journey. We were passing through the same phase in life, and how we both...
Emotional and physical both, I feel.
Yes. And I remember how we kept searching for things online, looking for different recipes or things to make for ourselves.
Remember how we used to sprout ragi and then rehydrate it and then make it into a powder for the Cerelac for the kids.
Yes.
And now things have become so easier
Yes.
to source and give to your kids healthier options.
I can't forget those days.
So after we had kids, we were like completely focused on kids and we actually started Lego education, the coding classes for the kids. And that went on for like around 2 years.
Yeah. I think our main motto, or probably the whole intention, everything was whatever we could provide for our kids. We tried to introduce it here in this city. And that's how we came up with Lego education first. And then COVID hit us, all of us. And so unfortunately, we couldn't continue that. But I still remember how we kept discussing what to do and how do we, keep ourselves.
Through the entire COVID phase, we kept discussing that only. And then probably in 2022, I had to go through a surgery, and the nutritionist actually told me to go gluten-free.
Yeah.
And how sourcing everything and getting recipes done for everyday food was a task and a challenge.
Yes.
For both me and the people around me to include it in family diets. But that is the moment when both of us started discussing. And remember how we went to Indian Institute of Millet Research together?
Yes, absolutely.
In Hyderabad, and understood the concept of millets more properly.
Yeah. And what are the options that we can serve, or what are the things that we can venture into? Because I think the biggest challenge we faced with packaged food was whether the labels, whether they're clean, whether it's eating, whatever we are consuming is healthy, and how we were very particular about these things.
Yes. So earlier when we were consumers, we would actually read the labels and figure out what is there in it. A lot of brands actually say that they are maida free, but they include refined flour in their labels also. So we didn't want to get into all the rat race, and we wanted to actually introduce something which is maida free and refined sugar free.
Yeah, I think basically our main aim was to have a clean label, clean eating, something which we can have, we can give it to our children and to the family is what we wanted to get it into the market.
Then while we were launching the products, we really got into the nitty-gritties about what to actually launch. Like we had a very vast mix of products which we had in mind, but we included a good mix of ready-to-eat and ready-to-cook items, which would actually be easy to cook and travel-friendly also.
And the n number of experiments that we've done together, certain which have gone so bad, and then finally we managed to get.
Yeah, I remember the recipe development phase. That was a task. And it went for like 2 years.
Yeah. Actually, I think mainly is because we could not settle for anything less. That was the main reason why it took us so much time.
And then in, I think, 2024 May, we actually launched our brand after so much of hard work and research.
Yeah. And I think a lot of people wondering what exactly are we doing, because that's what we said. We are doing
2 years.
Yeah, we are working and nobody understood what exactly are we doing. But I think that was a very interesting phase where we put in so much of our efforts.
Yes, and thanks to our families also for supporting us during those two years and right now also. We had thought of our first name to be Natural Boy.
Yes.
And almost we had finalized the packaging also with that name.
Yeah. And within, I think, 2 days, we had to just change it all. And just because we had some trademark issues and how we wanted to just change it. And then all of a sudden, the name Natable came to us. And
Absolutely.
And
it just got resonated with everyone.
Yeah, it clicked very well. I think a lot of such things have happened. We've taken a lot of time to develop the recipes, and all of a sudden one day we just found everything turned out well. And
Absolutely.
then, we knocked loose.
Even to find the correct seasoning for the noodles was such a big challenge.
Yes, absolutely.
The packaging, we had no clue about how we are going to do the packaging.
Yes.
How we are going to source it. The designing part also.
Yes, I think we've had a very nice team, supportive team.
Like team from getting the warehouse, office people, office staff, everything was like.
I think we had so many decisions to make, or so many places where we sometimes differed also, Probably I wanted to do it more. I said, let's make it from home, let's make a clean eating. But you said, no, that's more important to have a bigger scale. And then we'll, try and source for people.
Absolutely. But then everything clicked. Like the clean eating part also stayed, and the manufacturing part also got intertwined very well with the entire process.
Yeah.
Since our products are preservative free.
Yes.
And clean.
Absolutely.
And we would also want our consumers to actually read the labels and know how clean the labels are.
Yes.
Of Natable. Since we had our bumper sale during Diwali, we introduced 2 more products. Since we didn't have any sweet in our entire product list, we introduced cookies, 2 new varieties of cookies. Those are also refined sugar and maida free.
Yeah. And I think that also happened very quickly.
That was very quick.
Probably, I think we work under timelines. I think now we can see the difference, like our decision making also process has become faster. We are more aware of a lot more things. Earlier it took us time, we went into detail with everything. And now it's becoming easier for us. And we know exactly what we want, where we are taking this brand ahead.
Absolutely. We faltered also, we've stumbled upon stones, and we have gone through it thicker and thicker.
Yeah.
And now we are under the process of developing new products as well.
Yeah, I think that's going to be a continuous process for us. We are always going to be on that hunt to get good products, clean products for everybody.
We should. I think that's the need of the hour.
Yes.
So I think I always wanted to get into something where I could start from the scratch. And in my varied businesses which I've done earlier, I wasn't resonating with that too much because those businesses weren't very scalable. And I feel this, since I'm very close to this business because we started it from scratch.
Yeah.
And this is a scalable business and we wanted to reach to many homes as possible. Also, our kids are also super excited to look at the packaging, looking at the food inside it. They all relish it. The entire family relishes it together, and that, gives me the strength to follow the dreams.
I think if you ask me, probably again, I relate a lot more to this product or this line of business is something because I believe a lot in eating good food, clean food. And this was something where I was struggling most of the time to be able to give this to my kids and to my family. So that is one thing which I feel very good about, to be able to cater it to everyone. And yes, our children have been a part of this journey, and it feels nice when sometimes they are giving their contribution. It has been times where they have also given their own suggestions, whether they've liked it, they've not liked it. So it's nice for them to see us as mothers working. We're hoping to set a good example for everyone.
So I think our guinea pigs for tasting were our family, kids and friends.
Yes.
And so right now we actually traveled together somewhere, and our friends wanted to actually take our products while we were traveling together for the Airbnb experiences which we had, and cook chilas together and have puffs on the go, have the rusk with tea. So that was really emotional and nice.
Yes, yes. And I think it gives us a boost where they're genuinely, supporting and they're believing in us with our journey.
I think the best part was, I feel, the first pop-up which we participated in.
Yes.
And we could actually interact with the consumers hands-on and get the feedback from them for the taste immediately.
Yeah.
And the response has been phenomenal since then.
Yes.
And it's so good to see even on Amazon, Flipkart, our own website, to see repeat orders coming in from the same consumers.
I think that's when we get a validation. Products are genuinely
Being appreciated
Yes.
by one and all.
Yes.
So every day has been really haphazard.
I think to sum it up, I probably in one word, I would say it's been a nice roller coaster journey where some days are really
Absolutely.
fast and crazy. Some days are slow.
Slow-paced, but I think we've hardly had any slow-paced
Yes.
days since we are so hands-on with the home, the kids and the business together. So we actually work from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock mostly. Then we sit together and work, and then later on, like probably over the phone, since our kids also come back from school.
Yeah.
There have been days we've actually sat together from 8 a.m. also in the morning.
We've all been basic. Our aim was to work together. However, we try to adjust it
Yes,
with our other
yes.
routines, not being able to compromise those.
I
think
think
the
the
biggest
Diwali
was the Diwali hampers that we gave out.
We actually reached up to 1,000 hampers orders, and that has been really fulfilling and enriching for Natable's journey.
Yes.
The first and the very special.
Yes.
Hope it keeps going on.
Yeah. I think this Diwali we didn't care about getting ready or cleaning the house. Our aim was to deliver the hampers.
On time.
Yes.
And actually, from delivering the hampers to introducing new products at the same time was a very big challenge.
Yeah.
In future, I think we would like to introduce more products, more healthy products, ready to cook and ready to eat both. We are in the process of finalizing a few more products. And yes.
I think probably, yes, the whole thing is upgrading ourselves with, the need of the hour, whatever is needed. And I think our main motto end mein is, Har ghar mein ho Natable. So probably, yes, have such varied products ki subah se leke sham tak, whenever you need, we are able to cater you guys, cater the consumers. And with a clean, healthy, but also a tasty option. That is
Yes.
the most important thing.
From AM to PM, only Natable.